waiting for the stop sign to turn green.
Right here. Put it on top. Good morning. Drawing cat. Looking for bread. I have some coffee here for my husband. I'll bring this coffee upstairs. Let's see if he's awake.
I had something that was in a container that I just thought looked something different. Tasted like veal parmesan. I mean, like veal.
What veal parmesan?
Tasted like a veal cutlet.
In the container, I don't even know what it is.
Okay. I think I ate somebody else's food.
Did you eat it? No. No, you don't eat it.
Hello, bud.
What is that?
Tunafish.
You love your tuna, guys. Oh my god, that tongue. The tongue is out. You know what he does this morning to me, honey? I smack him. He bit my nose in the middle, this thing here. This is very sensitive, the center.
I have to laugh.
He bit me because I keep kissing him with my nose in his face. He doesn't like it. He just bit me, honey. I just like you hear me, right? I think. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. It's time. We're gonna drop his mom to the dialysis, and then we go grocery for, like, example, bread, eggs over here and eggs over there. I'm planning to make a sinigang na salmon. I saw that in Michelle D. I think Michelle D diary, in the Philippine blogger. She's a Philippine blogger. I saw it. It's really good. She put salmon and shrimp and just vegetables and sinigang mix.
Fried chicken.
I don't know how you call this, guys. How do you call this, son?
I don't know what. What is it, Boston lettuce? You're not gonna like that for a buck, though.
Where you get two of this? Huh? Hi guys, we're back from grocery shopping, and right now, oh god, it hurts. I am making some salad for the house here and up there to bring because we're going up, and I'm cutting a tomato. Hi guys, we're back. We're still here. We're just preparing everything, throw garbage out and put some stuff in the car because we have few. This is garbage.
Think a model is good?
Hold on guys. Hold on guys. Garbage. Still busy in the phone, and I'm just gonna keep bringing the dog is outside anyway, and I have a bunch. I bring some rice. This rice over here, I bring it up, and I bring also the rice cooker, and also my filming thing. You know, my film lights, my lights, and stuff like that. My husband brings some boxes already. So that's really it, guys.
Because it was such a nightmare what we wound up doing last. I turned into.
This
But-
is.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
That's his brother-in-law. We're on the way, guys. We're always late. Actually, it's not really. It's 1 o'clock.
Wait, no.
Sleeping up. And also, I don't even change. Look at me. I'm still wearing the same thing yesterday. In the house, guys, when I make some dried fish, I cook some dried fish. I fried dried fish outside in the house in here, and across the street, the neighbor, the guy went out. Oh, he just get out from his car. I don't know. He just get out from his car, going to inside his house, and I fried my fish, really like, you know, cook it like crunchy thing, and the smell of the fish is really strong, and it's smoky, and it's windy at that time. So this guy, I can hear the guy, "Woo, what is this smell?" Woo, woo. He kept doing like this, and I turn around and it's him. I just can't stop laughing, guys. I went inside, I still keep laughing. I told my mother-in-law, my God, the guy is really doesn't like the smell of it. I don't blame him. It's really, really stinky. Enjoy with your shopping,
What else
hon.
you want?
Huh?
What else you want besides the chicken?
That's it.
Outside?
Gravy.
What?
Oh no, I don't need gravy. That's it, whatever. Or I can't. It's really hard to put the camera. Hold on. I like that. Oh my God, I'm so excited for the election. I never had any interest in the past about the election or about the politics in the Philippines, but this election is just like I can't vote anyway because I don't really registered or anything, even though before I never did registered. My family, they're all registered for voting. I've been really happy that Duterte, he got a lot of support from Filipinos. I've been watching on Facebook. Duterte is already high. It's like, I think right for now it's 14 million something, and it's a little scary because 14 million, and then Rojas, it's keep going up, and it's almost 9 already. So it's kind of scary, guys, but you know what, but yeah, my president is Duterte in my own thing, even though I can't vote. Two buckets?
Yeah.
How come it's 2 buckets?
Because I got legs and thighs, because they're dealing with legs and thighs, but they're small pieces. And,
They're small?
well, legs are look.
Oh yeah, they're small.
I'm hoping they, you know, fair is be half of each, but it looked like they were low on stuff, so it looks like they give me more legs.
Okay.
Which, you know, unfortunately.
Turn right, then take the first right.
It's just really ridiculous.
She's waiting for the stop sign to turn green.
Turn left on North Plank Road.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
In the meantime, the red light, she don't stop for it all.
Oh yeah, she just
Really.
Oh my God.
A 1/2 mile. Turn left on US 9W.
Hot dog place. Wraps, paninis. You tried that?
Where is that Maine, Han? Maine.
What?
Maine, New York.
Maine.
Yeah.
Maine's all that by New Hampshire.
Where is it?
Maine, that's by New Hampshire.
I don't know where's New Hampshire.
By Vermont.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where is it? New
Maine
York.
is like before you get to Canada.
Say it
But that's New York.
Yeah.
Okay.
Niagara Falls is half Canada, half New York.
Oh yeah, but Maine, because I've been hearing that Maine.
They
Anyway,
go
guys.
for lobster. You want good lobster? Go to Maine.
Really?
Mhm.
But the snow over there is crazy. Okay, my husband is doing unboxing. He unboxed already the other one, but this is the box and this box too. I can't show you that there's another this. Unboxing the door. So let's see what's in there. I don't really know all what he's ordering, guys, but just showing you what he's ordering. Packing slip attack, huh? Oh, attack, attach. Hi guys, attack. Attach, please give me a good feedback. And that over there, that's a small tank. It's a water tank. This is a water tank, and that's what is that? A filter, right? Itself?
Yeah.
So he's ordering a filter. Water filter. To put under the sink. That I can drink the water here. I'm cooking some rice. I bring my rice cooker over here, guys. Let's see if the light is on. I don't see any light. It's on. This is even broken, guys. I don't know what happened. What happened? What? That's the one. This is not a filter. It's just filter whatever dirt in there, not the germs, right?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like you're going to filter a lot of that. We got the unit downstairs, filter and stuff downstairs. This is extra for just for drinking water. It's going to feel safer. Extra.
Okay. Then I guess after that I can start drinking water here. Well, my husband's been drinking water here, but nothing happened. Because our water here is what, Han? Well, it's not water sewer.
It's reverse
Oh,
osmosis.
it's a very nice looking thing, guys. It's a nice cooling machine. It's a nice looking machine. Oh, you have to get rid of whatever there.
Well, I don't see where I put it down here.
You sit under the sink.
Right.
It's very it's very just, easy. Just
Well, it's got to be accessible to change the filters. The tank, I don't care.
well, you can put the tank in there too.
Right, but the filters have to be accessible enough to change them.
Yeah, it's put in the side.
No, it's got to hang high.
Oh, high.
Because to change them, they have to come off. Like this.
Oh, shucks.
And the filters go in here.
Oh, that's the filter?
Yeah, they sent us back
You have only like two.
They sent, this is a spare set. These are all in here already.
Yeah.
It came with a spare set and with a second set, so now it's got two sets. Two backup sets.
Okay.
But to change them, you have to be able to do that.
So I guess you have to do it like that way.
So you hang it in the back, screw it to the back wall, it's got to sit above the ground. But the sink is so low, I may not be able to do that. So I may have to put it somewhere else.
Yeah, where's somewhere else?
Maybe I have to put it on this wall.
Yeah, at least, in this. Not in other. So,
Stick it down here, there's nothing.
this is just me making noise, huh?
This was here.
No, I never blew that here. That's from.
That was here?
I guess.
You can put this here like this. And hang it here.
Oh, you can mount. Is that strong enough under there? Up.
Yeah, could be.
So how often you change the filter?
I don't know, to be honest, see how many months it's good for. I don't know how much water you use. Remember, this is only really filtering drinking water.
I know.
Not filtering this water.
It's just the drinking. They have this one is good with this, guys. This one, this is just where we can drink
You
water.
got to do it here, put that extra.
Okay. This is a nice cool. This is a nice one.
You go hold there and it'll be here like this for drinking water.
Okay, nice.
You can drill anywhere. You're not drilling to the sink, but I want to drill to the counter.
No, not the counter. The sink. But you have to make sure that it won't be tangled earlier. We have to cover this chicken. Hi, chicken. How are you, chicken? Our rice is cooking. Look, it's cooking. It's making
You gotta get enough hose to run to the refrigerator. I want to fill the refrigerator water as well.
refrigerator water.
Right.
We're gonna use the water refrigerator if this one already works.
It won't be cold.
So, well, why it won't be cold, man?
Well, it won't be cold. It's actually cold water pipe. It won't be like refrigerator water is ice cold. You're better off running to the refrigerator. That's why we get the water cooler and not even put this piece on at all.
So what is that colorful hoses?
So different. Run.
Okay, that's the unboxing, guys. Unboxing. What do you think? Do you think, guys, it's a ring? There's a lot of rings over here for like 88 cents. We're home. It's already 6 something o'clock, almost 6:30. Let's see what my husband's doing. It's time for me to cook some food. It's quick because this is frozen. My husband went to the neighbor. I can see him walking. I can see him walking in there. Because the neighbor is outside. So we're just going to take everything out that we can start cooking, guys. Cooking. What else? Spinach is the chicken also. So, okay, let's see. Okay, that's good. Got some stuff.
Yeah, I'm not stupid. But when you buy the size, it doesn't say 7/8 pipe, it's just 3/4 pipe. Well, you know, 3/4 pipe is an 1/8 inch difference. 1/8 inches is a lot, it's not big.
You follow him?
Yeah, because there's no such thing as 7/8 pipe over there. It's only 1/2 inch, 3/4. There is no 7/8. But like I said, I know the way they do wood. It's never what they say. You buy a 2x4, it's supposed to be 2 inches by 4 inches. It's 1 3/4 inches, not 2. So it's less than 2 inches, even though they call it 2x4, it's not really 2 inches.
So now what if it's too loose, too tight? You want it too tight.
Can't be too loose, too tight. It either fits or doesn't fit, and there's no loose fit.
And this-
Pretty long.
Hi. What are you doing now? I heard you doing something. And is that already done?
No, I gotta cut the pipes and pipe it in.
Did you shut the water off?
No.
But you have.
Cut the water until I'm ready.
Okay.
I forgot to put the glass for it. I had a bulb in there. To make sure it works. Be nice.
I noticed I dragged this one. I see the line already. So not good. Almost done, guys. It's boiling really fast right now. I have to slow it down. Low it down. Yeah, there's the fish right here. Put it on top. And here's another fish. This is nice with the shrimp, but I can't find a shrimp that I like. I went to a grocery this morning, but I'm looking for a shrimp. I can't find. We went too early, so they don't have a shrimp display, and I don't want that really bad frozen cooked already. Try it first. It's so good. So we're outside right now. We're just drinking. We're gonna have dinner late, I guess, because it's already almost 8 o'clock. You bring your hard drive, right? It's a nice sunset over here, guys. Can you see it? So nice. A lot of cola. That white thing, flying over the place. That's the reason give you an allergy. That's your son. And this is gonna be nice and covered. Yeah. If this covered under the speaker.
Well, I forget to cover it.
Is it to cover this?
No, just time so. Pull up very back. Because you need to get right to the screen. The screen can't close the wood. It's on. Aluminum frame. So you gotta make aluminum frame for the screen, and then screen, each piece.
Need to be
Each piece, each piece. Then you gotta cover up the hole between the walls. And then there's a bunch of things there. Screen's on the other side, so those can't go down on this side, so it can't destroy it.
It's kind of
Very cold.
It's It's nice souvenir too. Hi guys, good evening. I don't really know. I'm not sure what time it is. Hold on. Let me check my laptop. It's 9:30 already. And we're still awake. My husband just get in the shower. Good night guys, and I will just edit my videos and I will see you in my next vlog. I'm not even getting ready yet. I'm still wearing this because I'm a little cold inside the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do, and I appreciate it so much. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Good night guys.